Hey guys, welcome back. We'll be doing the fuel pump on a 93 Land Cruiser today. We're going to go over, this is a kit that I bought from Wits End. It is all OEM. I could have gone non-OEM, but I just felt like this was probably a better choice over at Wits End. For those that don't have their seats of their Land Cruiser out, this is where it's located, center. And so I just wanted to repair all of that because I'm pretty sure it's stock, and I want to see if that filter is also really clogged up, which is that mesh looking thing. So I'm going to do a time lapse of getting in here, and then another time lapse of cleaning it out and replacing the parts. So the tutorial will be just kind of a show and tell, and this is kind of what it looks like and what I did and yada yada yada. But it's cool that it's really not that much in terms of pieces, gaskets, hose, and the pump, and this is that filter I'm talking about. So it'd be interesting to see it all out, and hopefully you guys learn something.